guys, Tamara here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made these modern looking planters out of a tomato cage. The first thing you want to do is just cut off the metal bits. I cut the second piece off. That breaks it down into 2 extra plant holders. And then you just want to go ahead, tape off whatever space you're going to be painting in. It was super windy, I do it on my balcony, so I just want to protect everything. These are my favorite paints to use. They are quick drying. It's so nice. You just spray and like 5 minutes later they are gray and ready to go. And I mean, you could leave these silver, but I just find the silver got lost amongst the blues and grays on my patio. And then you can see this is the taller tomato cage that hasn't been cut down. And it's nice to have the tall one. And then that's the second cage that I cut into 2 pieces. And so now that gives me 3 tomato cage planters. This is the fun part. Moving them around, styling them in whatever space you're going to be using these cages. And I popped my plants in. Those ones are fake. Shh, don't tell anyone. That is it, guys. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired. If you do try this out, let me know in the comments or tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see how you styled it. Have a great afternoon, you guys, and thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.